Hey everyone, happy Friday. It's Ryan with Stock Market Trading Live. Today we're going to be doing my weekly trade update and portfolio review. I'll show you guys all of my positions, talk about my game plan going into next week, and talk a little bit about my strategy. So today we're up about $365, just under 2% return today. Pretty decent day. Pretty decent day for the market, pretty bullish. So that definitely helped. But first, I'm going to show you guys some of my stock positions and talk about kind of why I'm holding some of them and what I plan to do when I'm taking profits, things like that. It's sorted from most biggest position is on the top, and as it goes lower, it's smaller positions. So first, we have about 100 shares of Coca-Cola. Just picked these up in the last week. I'm going to be selling covered calls against this, taking in some premium. I got in at an average cost below $50 per share, so I think we'll be able to get some nice premium out of this and make some profit. As always, I'm holding my AT&T, Cedar Fair, and SH, just kind of selling covered calls and taking in premium. A new position, Rocket Mortgages. I just picked this up today. Average cost of about $21 per share. I already sold a covered call, taking in $112 credit, which is pretty significant. That's 5% of my 100 share cost. It cost about $2,000 to get 100 shares to sell the call. And on our first week, we take in $100, which we could buy 5 shares with. It's a pretty nice premium. Next, we'll look at some of our tech positions. These are kind of some of our biggest tech positions and holdings. We have Apple, Microsoft, Google, all of the basic tech companies. We also are selling covered calls on GE, Kinder Morgan, and MJ. Some of our kind of dividend and income, we have AbbVie, J&J, Realty Income, a little bit of Campbell's Soup, Pepsi, MasterCard. Got some Tesla. We have just over, almost 1.5 shares of Tesla. I had a lot more recently, but I've been cutting back and buying some safer companies. We have Kimberly-Clark, Pinduoduo, which is one of China's fastest growing e-commerce companies, and I think it's at a good price. It's been going down this week compared to most of the U.S. stocks, which have gone up multiple percent. We have Adobe, and a lot of less significant positions below. Basic names, Amazon, Spotify, PayPal, Shopify, basic tech names that everybody knows. So next, let's talk about my strategy, what I'm going to be doing with some of these companies. And first, I'll show you some of my trade history because I've already cut a significant amount of my holdings during trading today. I took profits on small parts of my position in Pepsi, Microsoft, Adobe, Campbell's Soup, Realty Income I bought. But I've been selling a lot of stocks today, Amazon, AMD, just kind of getting back into cash, deleveraging, taking profits. And as you guys can see, I still have significant investments in these companies. I'm just reducing my risk exposure. I'm taking on some extra hedges while they're somewhat cheap. As you see today, I bought some SQQQ. We picked up about 17 shares. This is just a hedge. I'll probably buy a little bit more just because I'd rather be, a little more hedged currently. But that's what I'm doing. I'm deleveraging, I'm hedging, getting into cash. If it dips again, I'm going to be buying the dip. If it continues to rally, well, look at all these stocks that we're holding. We're going to make a ton of money. If the stocks rally, it'll be easy profits and we won't have to worry. Looking at our options holdings, for the most part, it's a lot of covered calls. As you guys know, I like to sell premium. I like to sell puts, sell calls. So I have a lot of them here that are expiring worthless today. AT&T, GE, Coca-Cola, Kinder Morgan, all going to expire worthless. I also sold some cash-secured puts on Kinder Morgan and Vail. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of Vail. There's been a lot of talk about trading Vail lately. So I've been selling a put. I'll probably get assigned on that. And when I do, I'll start selling calls. Also, a couple other notable option positions. I bought this today, Cisco $40 leap, expiring January 2021. currently up about 15% today, but it's only about $1 or $2 from being in the money, and it might be, a decent, if there's a catalyst for Cisco, it definitely could pay off. We also have Norton LifeLock. I picked up a leap expiring on the same date in January 2021. This one's only up about 4%, but if there's a catalyst, it definitely could pop. So that's all of our positions. We have our options, we have our stocks. The portfolio performed pretty decently. As you guys can see, since I started making this video, we're up even more. I think like $50 more. So about a 2% return today. The market's closing right now. I want to say thanks to everyone who's been watching the videos. We're going to be announcing our 1,000 subscriber $50 Visa card giveaway at the end of the month in 5 days. If you aren't already entered, all you have to do is drop a comment. We're going to take all the comments, all the people who commented, enter them in the giveaway, and the winner will be announced at the end of the month. Thanks for watching, guys. Smash that like button, and we'll talk to you guys soon.